Government data showed that 5 states across the country have been reporting a surge in the cases of the coronavirus, even though India has witnessed a steady decline in daily COVID-19 cases in the last 3 weeks. According to reports, Kerala, Chhattisgarh, Uttarakhand, Odisha and Madhya Pradesh saw a huge surge in the novel coronavirus cases between September 13 and October 4, even though the national average dipped. India registered a 37% growth in cases during this period, in a decline from the 56% uptick in the previous 3 weeks. According to central and state government data, coronavirus cases in Kerala rose by 112% during this period. In Chhattisgarh, it was a 93% rise, Uttarakhand saw 61%, and Odisha and Madhya Pradesh both registered a 54% increase in the number of infections. However, there were some states which reported lower rates of infections than these 5. In Bihar, there have been 19% rise in COVID-19 cases in the past 3 weeks and has been the lowest any state has seen. Bihar was followed by Tamil Nadu, where these cases grew by 23%. Then Gujarat with 26%, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana with 27%, and Assam reported a 32% increase in the cases of the coronavirus disease between September 13 and October 4. Data also showed that Maharashtra, which is the worst hit state in the country, saw a 36% growth in COVID-19 cases, and the second hardest hit region of Karnataka reported a 39% rise. The government has said that India's positivity rate of coronavirus infections is steadily maintained below 10%. The cumulative is 8.28% and the daily figure is 7.52%. Positivity rate shows the proportion of people who test positive among those who are tested. The government has also said that several states and union territories are exhibiting positivity rate, which is a crucial metric for understanding the coronavirus pandemic, higher than the national average, indicating a need for aggressive and widespread testing. India's tally of the coronavirus disease cases is over 6.6 million now, including 103,569 deaths, the Union Health Ministry's data showed on Tuesday.